Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So now we have a plant that is called as the opuntia elata. You can see that we have a big plant with multiple pads on it. So now this is our plant with 3 major stems and 1 foot stem. Okay, now we will try to cut them out. Okay, now so there are multiple pads. Now we have taken the forceps, and now you can see that there are also some outgrowths on the top of the pads. Okay, now with the help of scissor we will cut them out. Okay, or without scissor, if we just use to twist them, they will break off. Okay, like this one with very cleanliness. Okay, you can see that it is very easy to take one single stem pad like this. Okay, this is our third one. Okay, now we will take one more, this one. Okay, now this one. Okay, so we will, okay, it is a bit hard. Okay, it is a bit hard, so we will use our scissor. Okay, now this is the fourth one. Okay, now we will go for the next one, this one. Okay, take it out like this. So okay, now this thing. So we have got 5 pads. Okay, now let them dry for about some time, so their wounds will be healed. Okay, after 2 days, that is 48 hours. Now we have all the pads, you can see that, and we have taken some media which consists of sand and simple garden soil. Now we are pouring some water so that it will get wet. Okay, now some more water, and you can see the drainage of the media, how good it is. The water just, you just pour the water and it just vanished. Okay, so we can say that this media is having some sort of good drainage. Now we will level the surface of the media, this one, with the help of the screwdriver, because it is necessary to level the media before sowing the plant. We also have certain drainage holes under the disposable glass so that extra water will be gone. Now our wounds are healed. You can see my finger is pointing towards wounds and it is healed now. Okay, now put it that some of the stem part, that is pad part, must be under the media, under the soil. Now we will put it like that. And third one, although yeah, the third one, this one. Okay, we will put the remaining 2 after some time. So we have put the 3 of our pads inside the media. Temperature is like 31 degrees Celsius today. It is not as hot, so let's wait for the results after 22 days. Okay, now we can see that there is a lot of progress. There are a lot of progress. We can see that all are having some sort of shoots growing on it, some new pads on them. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, although the growth is not uniform, one is having much more growth because it depends upon the size and the what's called as the nutrition storage of the pad. So the growth may vary. Okay, now we will see the root development, that either roots develop good or not. So we will take one pad out. Okay, now you can see that a lot of rooting is there. Okay, very good rooting is there. So very good rooting is there. So we will again again put it inside the media, because our plants are a bit important. These plants are a bit important. Okay, now we will take the second result, the second pad. Now this one is having good roots. Okay, like root bowl is very good. You can see fibrous roots, a lot of roots which used to hold the media as well. Okay, so this one. Now we will go for third one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is also having some sort of, the root development is same, but there isn't any sort of much difference. Okay, put them like this, and now you can see that I have shown you all the results. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to grow opuntia elata from stem cuttings.